Big ass X3 ball. Sorry. That didn't sound good. They get these little bitty guys on there with them.
He ain't got near enough ass.
Negative.
He needs to climb over the roof, put his feet on the fucking bank, and push that motherfucker over that way. He'll come right the fuck out.
Well, you can't touch the ground.
Oh, you can't?
No. That's part of the rules for the Bonnie. Oh, you can't push off. Back up and hit it again.
Yeah, back and fuck up. God damn it, woman.
Somebody grab that stick.
You already done off the air mattress.
Yeah, well. Oh, hey, he must have missed it. I'm telling you, 2 inches at 100 miles an hour. Woo!
Bump it. He's moving. He's moving. He's moving.
Go to 100 real quick. That's an X3.
Side by side.
Push off. Push off. Nobody else.
Is it side by side?
Push off. Here, I got it.
Oh, your lights look like you're having a tower. Yeah. Yo, you know what that is. Yeah, hey.
That's that, what they call that, the relay. The relay is getting wet. Go, go. There you go. There you go. Woo! Your belt. That didn't sound good. That's it. He needs to toe the other way.
I know what that sounds.
Heard that.
That's not good. I think we're gonna go rob. So
we're gonna run back to the camp and go eat something real quick and fucking take off again. Yeah, we're gonna go eat. You know, fat boys gotta eat. You know. You know. You know.
Ain't that husband and wife? Hey. When the Razor goes through with the big ass tires.
well, that's cheap.
Cheap?
That's cheap.
Why?
I can get a party barge out here and go through that shit too yet.
Listen to this bullshit.
He broke 2 axles.
Yeah, he broke one when he fell off here.
Broke another one up there, but he went through it 3 wheels. It's like, how the fuck? One of the wheels you can tell was it was just the bottom turning it. It wasn't spinning.
If that Razor just walks through there, I don't know. Hell with them skinny.
But he did make it through in a pretty decent time.
Yeah.
So that's all he makes it through faster.
Yeah, but that little green one made the fastest time. Because he never stopped.
I want to say they said it was close.
They call that a finish? Or?
Yeah, you see the, look, come this way. See the little small pine tree with the mud up it? That's the finish line. He went past it. So,
Sure did.
yeah. The girl with the stopwatch is standing right at that tree. So. Jump! Whee! Look how high them fucking snorkels are.
I see it, man.
Huh? Hey, Brian, his snorkels high enough? Look compared to Brian, how high them snorkels are. Holy cow. Hey, it'll be easy to change that differential. Look at that, where that's at.
Oh, no shit.
Oh, sorry.
Actually, I was like, that guy's really big. I'm going to go stand by him and see how big he is.
Huh? Right.
How are you?
7 foot.
Are you really?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
That is crazy.
6 foot 12 inches.
That's it.
Time I counted.
Bro, when I gotta look up at snorkels, that's crazy. Wow.
Yeah, well, I guess the driver couldn't get in.
Hey, I'll change that differential.